Hello and welcome to the first part of my tutorial Firefox OS programming. Firefox OS is a new smartphone operating system developed by the Mozilla Foundation. Its kernel is Linux-based, but on top it's just HTML5, JavaScript and CSS. And that's the way we're going to develop apps for Firefox OS. First, I'm going to show you how new applications are started, how the smartphone operating system is handled, and what you can do with it. Firefox OS is a relatively new smartphone operating system, so the odds are very good that you don't already have a Firefox OS device at hand. So what you need is the Firefox OS simulator. And if you point your browser to the page developer.mozilla.org/en, or depending on your country, your language, you see this page. Then select under Developer Tools Firefox OS Simulator. On the right, select the first link, Installing the Simulator add-on. Then, on the top of the page, using Firefox, go to the simulator page on addonsmozilla.org. Now, by pushing this green button, you add the simulator to your Firefox browser. You can see here the add-on is downloaded and finally installed. I won't do this now because I already have the add-on installed. If you have finished installing the add-on and perhaps restarted your web browser, in the menu Extras there should be under Web Development a new entry, Firefox OS Simulator. Sorry, this here is German. Your version might be English or any other language. So look for Firefox OS Simulator, menu entry, and press it. What you see then is the dashboard. What is the dashboard? The dashboard lists all the applications you wrote, and in this case I see my application Hello World here. You might see none application because you don't have already written one. So, sorry, let's ignore this for the moment. So I just press refresh here to start the Firefox OS simulator and actually see the phone running. Here it comes. This is the Hello World application, but I ignore this for the moment. And here you have the home button. I click it and then you see the main page of the phone. You can see it looks just like any other smartphone system. You have different pages, you can swipe between the pages. You have the icons with the apps, and of course by clicking an icon you start the app. For example, the calendar app. Here I have my calendar. So, if I long press the home button, I come to the task manager, and here I can switch between all active applications or kill them if necessary by swiping up. That's it. So this concludes the first part of our tutorial Firefox OS programming. I assume you have the Firefox OS simulator up and running and a Firefox browser, and what we are going to see in the next tutorial is how to write your first own Firefox OS app.